this rainy mid-July day. What I'm going to sow today is coriander, just a block of 6 little blocks so that I can stuff them wherever I need to. All home saved seeds, so easy to save seed from coriander. I'll just sprinkle a couple in each one, several in each station, and I'll probably be putting them in the no-dig beds. So cover those up and they'll be planted out as a little block like that, no matter what comes up. Cover these. I did sieve this bought compost because it was a bit rough. I'll put in the water bath here, top that water bath up, and then water them on the top so I know it's fully wetted. And then, like with most seeds, I'll just bottom water from that point on. Right, that will be wetting. Let me get some top stuff. Not much sowing at this time of year. Not for me anyway. Some people do all sorts of stuff, but I don't do too much. But there we go. Let's see what happens with that. That's nice and heavy now, so that's well watered. That says celery on that side. I know it's not celery, it's turnips. Turnips. And on this side was beetroot. And this is the swede that I've yet to plant out. Right. And we're done. Just a short one today.